So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my device. I'm just going to put it on my screen here so you can see. So don't worry if this is not exactly the device you have. This training is just for TerraSync. So it doesn't matter what device you have, TerraSync will still operate the same way as it does on different devices. So if you have a Windows 6.5 like you see on the screen, I just want to show you, it normally looks like this when you open or switch on your device. So what you might have to do is, before you open TerraSync, just check your time and your date on your device, that your time and your date is set. If it's not set on Windows 6.5, you can just click on the time and date there, and at the top you go to time and you can go and choose your zone. So our GMT in South Africa is +2. Make sure you select that, select the correct date and then your time as well, and then you say OK. On Windows 6.1 you can go to Start, Settings, and then you click on System on the System tab, and you can go and select your time and date there. Look for time and date. It will be a little clock like this, little picture like that of a clock. Also on your device you can just want to click on this Windows button here. So it's all touch screen. You can just go and move your stylus up and down on your screen to access any menu you want. I'm going to click on Settings and just show you a few settings that you might want to change. If you click on Power, it will show you the power of your battery, how full it is. If I click on Advanced here on the top, you'll see there's a setting that says turn off screen if device not used for 5 minutes. So you can either change this if you want, or you can just tick it off, so it won't switch off your screen at all. It's up to you. I'm just going to say OK. And the other setting is under System here, my backlight. Also same settings. So on battery power it says here turn off the backlight if device is not used for 5 minutes. Not used meaning you didn't touch the screen for 5 minutes. It will switch off the backlight. So you can tick this on and off, or you can change the minutes that you want it. So I'm just going to tick this off. For me, I prefer it like this. Also an external power, tick it off. And this is your brightness. You can change the brightness of the display of the backlight. And then when you finish, you just say OK. So on the Windows 6.1 devices, you'll go to Start, Settings, and then System, and then you also go into your system settings. There you'll find power and backlight, and you can do it exactly the same way. Okay, so that's just basic settings that you might want to change.